If you want to make your Notion workspace more aesthetic, you don't need advanced design skills. Just a few simple tricks that transform ordinary pages into something clean, modern, and enjoyable to use. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'll walk you through 10 easy ways to upgrade the look and feel of your setup. The first thing you can do is customize your icons. Instead of sticking with the default emojis, use minimal icons from websites like Notion Icons or Flat Icon. Choose a consistent style, line icons, pastel icons, or colorful stickers, and apply them across your pages so everything feels unified. Next, add a cover image that matches your theme. Soft gradients, abstract patterns, neutral wallpapers, or minimalist illustrations instantly give a page personality. Try to stick to one color palette across your workspace for a cleaner aesthetic. If your covers clash, your dashboard will feel chaotic. A great trick is reducing visual clutter by using toggle lists. Instead of having everything visible on your page, put extra notes, tasks, and resources inside toggles. This keeps your layout simple while still giving you access to all your content when you need it. Spacing matters more than people realize. Use empty blocks to create breathing room between sections. A few well-placed blank spaces can make your page feel more polished and less cramped. You can also elevate your look with dividers and callout blocks. Dividers help separate sections smoothly, and callouts highlight important info without overwhelming the page. Choose matching emoji icons inside callout blocks to keep things cohesive. Another popular trick is using columns. 2 to 3 columns can make your page look like a properly designed dashboard rather than a wall of text. Keep columns balanced. Avoid having one tall column and one tiny one unless you're intentionally creating a sidebar layout. Using consistent fonts and text styles also helps. Notion has simple font options, but the key is to be intentional. Use one style for headers, another for descriptions, and keep your formatting uniform. Don't bold everything. Let your important text stand out by being selective. Embedding widgets is an easy aesthetic upgrade. You can add a weather widget, a minimalist clock, a daily quote, or a calendar. These small visual elements make your dashboard look alive and personal. Databases can be aesthetic too. Switch to a gallery view with custom cover images for each item. If you're using a table, hide unnecessary properties and adjust the column width to make everything clean and readable. Color coding your tags with a soft or pastel palette also helps create a pleasant look. Finally, choose a theme and stick to it. Whether it's pastel, dark mode, beige minimalism, cottagecore, techie neon, or monochrome, having a single theme helps you make better design choices naturally. Consistency is what makes a Notion workspace look intentionally designed rather than random. With these 10 techniques, icons, covers, toggles, spacing, dividers, columns, text styling, widgets, database design, and consistent themes, your Notion pages can go from plain to aesthetic with just a few adjustments. If you want, I can help you create your own themed dashboard step by step.